Welcome back to our channel. Want to automatically assign IP addresses in your network? In this video, I'll show you step by step how to configure a DHCP server in Windows Server 2022. Let's start to configure DHCP Server on the Windows Server 2022. Click on Add Roles and Features. Click on Next button. Leave check mark on role-based or feature-based installation and click on Next. Click on Next button. Check DHCP Server box. It is asking to click on Add Features. And click Next button. Leave as default and click Next. Next again. Please check mark to restart the destination server automatically if required, then click to Install button to start installation. Installation finished. Click Close. After installation, click Complete DHCP Configuration. Click Notification Flag Select. Complete DHCP configuration. Click Next. Authorize the server using administrator credentials and click Commit. Click Close. Now go to Tools and open DHCP. Expand server name. Right-click IPv4 and select New Scope to create an IP address range. Give your scope a name. Click Next. Enter your IP range. For example, 192.168.40.1 to 192.168.40.254. Click Next. Add exclusions. You can exclude IP addresses reserved for routers or servers. Example exclusion, 192.168.40.1, and hit Add to add on excluded address range. I am add another exclusion 192.168.40.110-130 for our server IP reserve. Click Next. Set the lease duration. The default of 8 days works fine. Click Next. Select Yes to configure DHCP options now and click Next. Add your default gateway or router IP and hit Next. I am using here our server IP. Click Next. Add your DNS server IP. Usually, this is your server. When enter server name and hit resolve to get automatically DNS IP, then hit Add, then Next. Leave Win server black and click Next. Yes, then click Next and Finished. Now you can see our new DHCP IP scope is created and it is showing here. This is our client Windows 11 machine. We are trying to assign DHCP IP address on this machine. Let's check this machine network properties using the npa.cpl command on Run box to open network properties. Double-click on Ethernet 1 to check the IP address details. Click on Properties and click TCP/IPv4 checkbox and click Properties. You can see here is assigned static IP address. If we need to assign DHCP IP address, then need to check the Obtain an IP address automatically checkbox, then hit OK. Double-click again Ethernet 1 to check if it is getting DHCP IP address or not. Click Details to check IP address and you can see here it is getting DHCP IP address 192.168.40.21. successfully getting IP address from our DHCP server. Let's jump back to our server and check if this machine is showing there. You can see here under Address Leases tab for any machine which getting DHCP IP from this server, and it is showing here the Windows 11 client which was got 192.168.40.21 IP address. And that's it. You successfully installed and tested a DHCP server. Next video I will show you how to join this machine to domain. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Please share, subscribe and like if you like my video.